We know you're frustrated because your car won't start. We know you just want to be able to start your car and go about your day. If your car won't start, we can help. We deliver and install new car batteries. We deliver your battery right to your location, whether it be home, work, or even on the side of the road. We install your battery on site. We offer 100% upfront pricing. You don't have to drive or be towed to a repair shop. We come to you. We're not going to sell you anything you don't need. You don't have to hang out in a waiting room while we do our work. We do everything from start to finish. Give us a call at 210-598-7300. Call or visit us online at www.easylockout.com.